What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Traveling Eddie, and we're going places. And I just got a haircut here at the barber shop with Pops, with my friend Gibran. He just gave it to me. I shaved this morning, and he gave me the haircut. Usted puede decir, what's up?
What's up?
All right, cool. He's going to be starting his own business soon somewhere else. ¿Dónde vas a empezar su negocio?
Acá en Camichine.
Camichine? Tonalá. In Tonalá. So in the other town of Tonalá, Gibran is going to start his own barbershop. ¿Y se llama el lugar como? No Tonalá, sino Camichinet. Camichinet. La colonia se llama Camichinet. The neighborhood is called Camichinet. And it's in the town of Tonalá, which is here in the metropolitan area. Wow, excellent. Gracias. Ahí lo dejo. Take care. Be cool. Hasta la próxima. Bye-bye. So this barbershop is like it's called right there Bunker. It's a barbershop, but he's not going to be working there anymore. It's on Francisco Madero Ave. So we're going to go that way and see what else we can see of this town. This is Tlaquepaque. Tlaquepaque. It's almost like a tongue twister. Tlaquepaque. So how do I look with my new hairstyle? My new hairstyle, it's not a new hairstyle, my haircut. Just getting it nice and trimmed again. Looking good for myself and looking awesome and amazing for the ladies, for women. You know, so they can have pure vitamin E for their eyes. And you say, vitamin E, what does that mean, vitamin E? Because in Spanish, in Colombia, we have a joke. I made it up myself. And people say like, Ave Maria. It's kind of like an exclamation to say, wow. Like, wow. And begins with that sound. E in Spanish. Ave Maria. Que mujer tan hermosa. Like, wow, what a beautiful woman. But in this case, I'm for the women. So they'll be saying, Ave Maria. What a handsome dude. What a handsome man. Okay, I know I think highly of myself, and that's good. I'm just not conceited or stuck up. I'm just fun. So, here we are in the Guadalajara metropolitan area. And let me take off these glasses because these things just kill. Ooh, nice structure. Yeah, with the sunglasses I can't see much because they're so good. Now this place is supposed to be pretty cool. Pretty cool place. Probably at night is better, but I just don't have the time to come here at night. And here we have the bandstand. Mexico is famous for many things, and one of them is having bandstands in the middle of a park. This is a beautiful one. Wow. And this is the name of their town, just in case you don't know. Tlaquepaque. Like that. You can take the metro, the line 3, Línea 3, all the way to the Tlaquepaque Centro station, and then walk 8 or 9 blocks this way. And here's a map of everything that you have around here. And here's some of the mariachis and some of the ladies getting ready for their singing or stuff later on. So this might be pretty happening at night, but I just can't come at night because I'm working and I'm leaving on Saturday. Today's Wednesday, and I'm heading to Puerto Vallarta. I was there at the bus terminal buying it already. So it's beautiful. See if we keep this video short, since there's not much to do here at this time except see people and talk to you guys. Remember, if you liked this video, give it a like down below. Soon it goes out to more people on YouTube that way. That's how YouTube works, with the like button. And just if you like, of course, please remember to subscribe to the channel. It's free, helps the channel grow as well. And share this with people and leave comments down below what you think about this place. So let's go see what else we have around here. I mean, these ladies look cool. I mean, that's probably the typical folklore dress from around here. They're just doing the makeup job and everything because they think they're going to film something. And I don't even know what that building is right there. I think it's a church. I want to say a special shout out right now to some people that I haven't done in a while. I want to say what's up to Vibhuti and Jesu in India. They have their channel called Escape with VJ. They're a couple, a married couple from Delhi. And I love your vlogs, guys. I love your vlogs. Also, Witty Travels. Witty Travels, big shout out to Witty Travels. I'll try to leave it down in the description box. And that's Kati and Will. They're traveling through Africa right now. This is the Parroquia San Pedro Apostle, the St. Peter Apostle. here. This is the parish and the church. Let's take a little look. What it looks like. It's inside with the mass or the whatever. Don't want to intrude too much, but let's see what we can see. This was built in 1845, I think. 1845. Hey Kati, instead of in Kenya buying some of that, you could buy one of these, Kati, and you too, Vibuti. Wow, look at that. Nice for you ladies. Not the Gucci, that's a fake Gucci, but the other stuff is cool. So I also want to say what's up to Kev TV out in Los Angeles. Thanks, Kev TV. 3 YouTubers right there, 3 YouTuber groups, 2 couples and 1 Kev TV. Also Finn Del Mundo from New Zealand, the Kiwi dude, Mr. Kiwi. Finn, what's up? Finn Del Mundo. Check him out. He loves Mexico. And he's got videos going on his YouTube channel too. And also you got people like Kimia Stewart. She does like personal vlogs and with her kitty, Kimia Stewart. I'll leave her down in the description box. And also Charla Unplugged. And Rosie O'Kelly. I'll leave them all down below. And a guy in India that I love watching his stuff too, Benjamin Jenks. Benjamin Jenks, an American in India, and now he's getting to travel around India because a lot of the restrictions have been lifted. So those are my shout outs to people. Let's look at all of this here. And this is supposed to be pretty happening. Ooh, I didn't know this is a long walk here. Cool. Look at this guy. Wow. Awesome. This video is going to be longer than I thought. Now I'm starting to wake up and smell the coffee. This town is nice from what I've heard. Let's keep going. Oh man, look at that tree inside. Look at that. Beautiful. And the lamp right here, but look at the tree. Nice. You know, when you come in, you're kind of like, when you come in from the metro station this way, you think there's not much to it, but then you start seeing these things, and you're like, really? Wow. Look at that, a Minotaur, Mexican style, Minotaur. And this is a restaurant already full and busy with people, and it's not even 12 o'clock yet. It's not even noon. Wow, look at this, and another Katrina's back from Dia de los Muertos, a Katrina right there. Big restaurants. It's only 11:20 a.m. 11:20, and these places are already packed with people inside. Some 2 restaurants I just looked into. And look at the Mil Máscaras kind of luchador type of t-shirts, or Darth Vader. Lord Vader, Luke, I am your father. Okay. Oh wow, guys, I'm loving this. I'm glad I came here today. It's turning out to be more than I expected. And I wasn't expecting much, just to keep my expectations low and my disappointment lower. Look at this. People do selfies here with these wings as well. Another restaurant. Wow, these restaurants look, shops, everything look nice. Looks pretty cool. Now this is a chain of designer stores across Mexico. Aigüe, I saw it in Guanajuato. And everything, they have it here in Jalisco. And they got very nice designer clothing if you want to buy something for a woman or a man, Mexico style. Look at one of the little designs there. And if you come here, Kati or Vibuti, and even Jesu or Will, you can buy yourself some stuff. Maybe they'll even have a Batman design for you. Batman lovers, Vibuti and Jesu. Kati and Will, I don't know what kind of superheroes you got. Superheroes you like. I mean, look at the architecture. It looks beautiful. I mean, I'm totally happy with all of that I see. And this lady goes through the thing, and I just don't want to get in her way. Even those things hurt if they crash into you. I'm liking it. Why am I turning the camera on me? I have no idea. So, the best time to come here, if you want to enjoy it more vibrant and everything, is going to be around evening time, when it's getting dark, when it's dark, so you can see everything in a different light. Not like Paul Bunyan here. Look at this dude. He's tall as dog biscuits. Well, I don't know if dog biscuits are tall, but anyhow, look at this. Colección Arte de México. Mexican Art Collection. That's the name of the shop. Beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Still with all the touches of Dia de los Muertos still present here in the month of November. This has a lot to offer here. Look at all of this here. And then we got the Tlaquepaque, but from the other side. And see if I can get the video in my face so it'll be like a good thumbnail when I can do the video. I don't edit anything, it's just recording pause. Wow, Tlaquepaque. There you go. So the sunlight is not too good, but let me see if I just get in like that. There you go. All right. There's still more beautiful stuff to see. Look at this lady here at the Tequila and Ron restaurant bar. You got that big thing there, wow, of a woman, mariachi woman. And look at these handbags for you ladies. Any woman that's coming here want to buy one of those, they're very beautiful looking. Hola, ¿cómo están estos bolsitos para mujeres?
Estos 2.20.
2.20 el de arriba.
El de arriba.
¿Y estos?
80.
80. 220 pesos and 80. This is less than $5 and this is $11. Ah, bueno, gracias, son bonitos.
Sí, son bonitos los mejores.
So Tlaquepaque is considered Pueblo Magico. For those of you who don't know, Pueblo Magico is a concept that the Mexican government, the industry, the tourism ministry, the Ministry of Tourism came up with to promote these magic towns, Pueblos Magicos, for tourism. And this one is one of them. There are like 133 on the list as of 2021. Now, Vibuti and Jesu, I know you guys love coffee in addition to chai. And coffee from Chiapas, a state of Mexico, is very good coffee. If you're in Mexico, ask for Café de Chiapas. And those two ladies are some of the people that are native to Mexico. Not white, native. And they're selling their art, handicraft things, artisan made. So this restaurant is busy, check it out. This almost reminds me of Los Boteros, like Fernando Botero in Colombia. Los Boteros, the gorditos, because they're fat. I mean, the sculptures that Fernando Botero has made, the Colombian artist. So the music and the lifestyle, the live party starts later on, but this is still early. And this is called Jardín Hidalgo. Jardín Hidalgo, I don't know when they made it, but it's here. That's what it says, Jardín Hidalgo. It was remodeled in 1989 to 1992. Now at the far end I can see like a trolley. It's like a little tour bus thing that you can go on. Look at the cool t-shirts for the women and all that. Cool type of blouses. So this is the trolley right there. It's a tour bus and they take you around here in Tlaquepaque, and I think they have other routes. Let's see what routes they have. ¿Sí? Ya está la información. Y así te puedo buscar así.
Sí, o ya con mi compañera llega y le comenta, ¿sabes qué? Es que Natalie fue la que me dio la información, o con la anfitriona que está en la...
So Natalie, that was her thing, and that's the website they have, and they have a tour here in the town of Tlaquepaque, the Pueblo Magico, for 100 pesos per person. It takes 35 to 45 minutes, and they give you information and about where you can eat and things you could do, and they also have tours to Lake Chapala and some other place she told me about, I couldn't remember. Look at this restaurant. It looks awesome inside. I'm not gonna go in, but it's got like a bandstand in the center too. It's a restaurant, but right now it's early, but only a few that I showed you before are busy. So you got a lot you can do here. This place at night should be a whole different atmosphere. And they got a lot of these kiosks, these stands where they're selling all kinds of souvenirs and bags for women, belts, accessories, everything. Wow, check it out, this sculpture right here. Nice sculpture, wow. And there's another restaurant here, El Torero, the bullfighter, El Torero. El Toreo, El Toreo. Just the beautiful architecture, the colors, it's all amazing to me. I don't know if some of you feel the same or feel different. And if you check out one of these things here at this part, it will show you kind of like a map of where you can go and the places and your location and all of that. And the last thing I want to show you is La Plaza de la Infancia, the childhood plaza, the plaza of childhood. And they have all these little things with the jacks and the child, the little girl doing like a somersault or a little roll on her back, the little kid flying off with his little paper airplane, like we used to make paper airplanes when we were kids. I remember doing that so many times. Even as an adult, I've done some. And then you remember how you would get up in a tire, one of those old tires, and you get in it. I used to do that in South Carolina with my brother and some friends and roll down the hill, some hills in South Carolina. And when we're playing hide and seek, the kids counting against the wall, saying one Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and all that. And then we got snakes and ladders here, represented here with this, with the dice and the kid hanging off the ladder, snakes and ladders. Wow. Then you got this kid here, just like, I don't know, crossing something on the rope. And then the kid with the slingshot, the little boy right there with the slingshot. We used to play with slingshots in South Carolina. And then the kid on the swing here. Wow, this is beautiful. Swinging on the swing, swinging through life. And then we got the little girl here playing with her, whatever she's playing with, right there. Wow. Then we got this kid here playing some kind of Mexican game. I don't know what that one is. They didn't have that in South Carolina. Then we got the piñata with the donkey piñata and the kid trying to break it. And he's got the blindfold on. And there's a kid here flying a kite. Where was he? That's a horsey ride kid over there. Where's the kite? Oh, right above me, the kite. And then this girl on the thing and this kid on the little scooter, thing. Mono scooter, mono ride. And here goes the kid with the kite, flying his kite like we used to do in South Carolina and in Colombia when we were kids. And then the kid playing with the yo-yo. And then this little girl on the rocking horse, Some of the famous Mexican little toys that Mexican kids use to play. El trompito and whatever they call that. And then el tomatodo, that's very Latino, playing tomatodo. In Colombia we did that. And wow, and then the little girl, little ballerina girl. Plaza de la Infancia. This is the plaza of childhood. When we were children playing, just enjoying life. Wow. And then here the kids playing with the pig, trying to tie down the pig, poor pig. And that's what it's called, plazoleta. Not plaza, but plazoleta de la Infancia. Mami, papi, jueguen conmigo. Mommy, daddy, play with me. This was done in 2020. Wow, this was recent, this one. This thing right here. And the kids trying to move the pig and everything. Oh, it's a piggy bank. It's a piggy bank. All right. Wow, this video was longer than I expected, but it's all well worth it. And here are the people probably involved with doing this work of art. Recognition to them. These are the collaborators with this work of art. All those people collaborated in doing this. I'm Traveling Eddie, or I'm Playground Eddie. I'm Childhood Eddie. And we're playing around, exploring, like Goonies. Give it a like. Bye-bye. Take care.